Okay.
Hi.
There's no one. You can. So,
Yeah.
Ready?
Hi. We're expecting this.
Oh.
We have, what's the name?
Makluba.
Makluba.
For today.
Upside down.
Yeah, upside down.
Upside down. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's makluba. Can rise the camera. Yeah. Okay.
I'm coming. It's me.
That's you.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay. How do you find the experience?
It's really lucky to find here.
Yeah. We
It's
just came
really-
here by random.
Yeah.
You are welcome.
Yeah, it's really feels like home.
I'm really excited and hungry now.
Yeah, me too.
We all hungry.
Because we have this wonderful restaurants all the time. I'm really hungry and looking forward to eat it. Yeah. And also, we just drank an Arabian tea.
Yeah.
And
It's very hot too. Be careful.
Yeah, it's really nice. Also, we're making a salad here with so many vegetables. We have tomato, cabbage, and maybe
Parsley.
onion. Yeah.
Tomato.
Mm.
It's almost ready.
Yeah. It's almost ready.
Yeah, it's almost just in 10 minutes will be the makluba ready for eating. That's enough.